Hey, how you doing? My name is Dan Edlin. I'm here at Johnson RV in Medford, Oregon, and today I'm going to be showing you a fabulous Forest River C-Class. This is a 2024 on the E450 chassis. So walk this way as I show you. This is full body paint. You're going to notice all the way down this wonderful vehicle, this massive slide, and we're going to see the benefits once we get inside here, but isn't that absolutely gorgeous? You do have tons of storage compartments down below. Obviously, as you come around the back, you've got your backup camera, and you do have a nice towing capability of 5,000 pounds on this. You come around to the side, and you're going to see you have a nice pass-through storage here. You have all kinds of compartments. Your water, your basic things are going to be here. And I am going to take you inside of this 3051. Once again, Forest River is one of the leaders in the industry. And you're going to notice as soon as you come in here, you just have a ton of space. So, a lot of times they'll have one or the other. This is going to have both. You have the couch over here. You have opposite side dinette, which is nice. This is terrific because this over the cab area works into a nice bed. And if you're not utilizing that, you can simply put that down and use it for storage. So very, very cool area. Nice 40-inch TV up here. Tons of cabinet space throughout. And then I'm going to kind of take you to the fridge setup, which is a little bit of a new look for Forest River on this one, as you can see. And you do have your separate freezer, which is nice. Nice big sink. Heavy duty materials. You can tell this is very well made. And of course, as you come over here, you're going to have your 3-burner stove. I love this floor plan because look at this. Right mid-coach, you've got a nice sink area with some cabinets and mirrors. And then you have a separate area here where you've got your shower. And you have a prime situation there. So, and then look at this bed. Wonderful, nice little bed here with tons of storage. And of course, another TV. So Forest River's been an industry leader for years. Terrific quality, great craftsmanship. And you'll notice they just do everything right. You have tons of storage, really light and bright, a terrific use of space. My name is Dan Edlin. And if you'd like to reach out to us at Johnson RV here in Medford, Oregon, or you can reach out to johnsonrv.com and see all of our inventory online. And we'd love the opportunity to earn your business. Thank you and have a good day.